welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming the Kylie Cosmetics KoKo collection. So I recently purchased this baby maybe like a week or two after it came out. Really wanted to get my hands on it. I did also purchase something, I think it was from either their first or second collaboration. This is the third collaboration that they have together, and I did get a couple of things. They did not send me my full order. I am missing the lip liner that comes with the KoKo collection, so unfortunately I will not be using the lip liner that came in the collection. I already emailed them. Hopefully they get back to me on Monday. Since I do own Kylie Cosmetics lip liners, they are one of my favorite lip kits actually, the lip liners, liquid lipsticks. I am going to be using the lip liner in Malibu just because I feel like it goes with all the lipsticks. And like I said, I also purchased some other stuff from the collection. So this one here is called In Love with the KoKo, and I really love the packaging. It's super beautiful. It's pink rose gold, and you can always use this as like a display for a decor. This color here, you guys, oh my god, I cannot wait to wear it. For the collaboration itself, for the third one, this is the box here, and I really love the box, and it has like a little dripping, you know, her signature Kylie, a cute little card that says Kylie, and then it comes with the packaging has like a glitter, and it's so gorgeous. Look how beautiful that is. I love it. Cute pink packaging. It says KoKo, Kylie Cosmetics, and on the back it just has like the sticker. The highlighter is called True Mama, which I really love. It's so cute. It's a little bit more on the white baby pink side. The same packaging, you guys, but this one is the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, how beautiful. I haven't even opened any of this, okay? So look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. And then this here is the eyeshadow palette itself. The eyeshadows are super gorgeous. They really grabbed my attention. I think that's why I was very excited for them. But the only thing I hate, and they keep on doing it, is putting the names right under the eyeshadow. They continue to put the names on the back, which is kind of irritating because I feel like everybody complains about that and yet they don't fix it. So if that was my company, I would want to fix it. I mean, you're already hella overpricing the palettes and stuff, so I'm pretty sure there wouldn't be a difference in the price point. A liquid lipsticks that came with the collection. The bigger the hoop, it's more of a rosy mauve. Super gorgeous. I know for sure I'm going to be using it a lot more. It's called Allergic to Bullshit, which I literally am. For my eyebrows, I used the Highbrow pomade, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. I've really been into it. A little bit goes a long way, you guys. And right now I'm just going to go in with some Kylie Cosmetics translucent powder. And this powder I have been really loving, you guys. I love to bake with it. I love to set my concealer. I love to set my face with it. I love it so much, and I didn't think I was gonna love it as much, but I really do. And right now I'm just gonna apply some right under the eye so I can actually just bake a little. So I'm gonna look a little crazy, but I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadows just in case if they have like any fallout, the eyeshadow can fall onto the translucent powder and I don't really have to worry much about it. So I'm gonna go in straight with the eyeshadow palette because it is what I was the most excited for. Hopefully this one doesn't let me down like the, what was it, Mrs. West collection. Yeah, that one was horrible. First shade that I'm gonna go in with is going to be this brown shade called True Mom, and I'm just gonna apply that in the crease area. And I think I might also apply this yellow shade here. I think it's called True Faith, this one here. I don't really put primer on my eyes, And especially if I'm going to be doing like a review or something, I don't really like to prime my eyes because I really like you guys to see the pigmentation of the shadows. So right off the bat, there is like kickback on the palette, but it's okay because there's no fallout here and it's giving me pigmentation, so I can kind of work with it. But if there was like a bunch of kickback and then nothing on my eye, then that's a problem. Off the bat, I really like this color. It's like your, it's like a beautiful transition shade, but at the same time it has a hint of a pinky undertone, like just a drop of pink. This yellow shade, I'm just gonna put it on top a little bit right here, as you guys can see, just on this area here, just to help it blend a little more, which I really love that. Ooh, yes. Wow, I really love how that looks. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of True's. Is it True Mom or True's Mom? It's called True's Mom. Just to merge. Oh, I really like that. Okay, these two here, True's Mom and True's Seldorf, they sort of look similar in a way. So let's try it out. Let's put it in the outer corner and then start blending. So let's see. You know what? No, let's put this right in the crease. See how the, ooh, okay. So it's just a tad bit darker. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So this here is adding Trusadorf, I think that's how you say it, right into the crease. And then this is without it. So it's just like a hint darker. I really like it. Huh. Let's shape the eye. The palette, like I said, does have a lot of kickback, but it's giving me pigment, so I'm okay with that. Always true. And let's apply it right in the, on top of all of that. Dreams come true, I'm going to put it more on the center, and then the True Love more toward the inner. So we'll see that, and then out here I'll deepen it up with the darker shades. So let's go in again. No Fix Plus, no nothing with. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay. Oh wow. Very unique formula. It looks like it's a pressed glitter mixed with a shimmer shade. Okay, now I'm just gonna grab my finger and really work it into the center. Oh my god. There is a lot of fallout with these shades. It's called True Meaning. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of Dreams Come True, which is the one right in the center, just to kind of merge those shades together. Yes, oh my god, this brush, you guys, makes a difference. So if you need a good brush to pick up any type of pigment or anything like that, I do recommend the Morphe M224. Must be true. Ooh. Oh wow, guys, it's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my pinky and really make it pop a little more. Oh, yes. And I'm just gonna line it all the way. Remember to tap off the excess product. I really want like a smoky eye today, so we could do that. No product on the brush, just to really get a nice blend. I went ahead and I did my eyelashes off of camera. And the eyelashes that I am wearing today are Betty B lashes in Instaho. They are some of my favorite lashes. I love those lashes. And again, I just finished blending with this shade here in True Meaning on my lower lash line, Teddy liner, and it's just a beautiful rich brown. I love it. It's one of my absolute favorites as well. I am going to apply a little bit of the KKW brightening powder underneath my eyes. I just go in there and just dab the smallest amount, because I notice when I put too much, I look way too bright. Collaboration didn't come out with blush, but I am going to be using one of my favorite blushes, and this is NARS Luster. And as you guys can see, it's pretty beat up, and it's one of my favorite blushes. So again, it is NARS Luster. Look how beautiful that is. Blush, okay? Not like that Mrs. West blush, imaginary blush. Ooh, and if you feel like you put a little bit too much blush, go in there with a spoolie and just blend it all together. And right after that, I'm going to grab the same brush that I used to apply the brightening powder, and I'm just going to tap it in the areas right here. So for the highlighter, again, pink packaging. It has a mirror, which I think it's really awesome, super useful. And I'm going to go in with one of my favorite highlighting brushes, which is this Morphe fan brush. And sorry you guys, I haven't washed my brushes, but I need to wash them. I wiped out the excess. Yeah, so there's like no product on this brush. It's dirty. I haven't washed it, sorry. But I'm gonna grab the highlighter and just kind of swirl my brush in there and see how it comes out. You know what's crazy? This mirror is zoomed in. Like, I literally zoomed in. Ooh, you know, ooh, okay, I see you. Oh my god, this freaking highlighter is so bomb. I was so scared for a second because on the pan it looks pretty dry, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, but oh my goodness, on my skin it looks wet, like super wet, and I didn't apply any Fix Plus or anything, so let's dig in there with some more. Oh my god, let's apply some on the, I actually put it all over my forehead. I like to glow. Oh my goodness. the shade here in Bunny, I really like it. I didn't think I was going to like it as much, especially since I haven't been wearing these type of lip colors in quite some time. I've been into my nudes, you guys. Really love the color. It's more of a pinky with a hint of purple in it, and I really love it. Honestly, you guys, inside the tube it looks like a totally different color compared to how it looks on my lips. On my lips it looks super neon orange, pink. It's super patchy, you guys. I don't know if it's showing up in the camera, but it's like super patchy and blotty. Super beautiful. It doesn't go with the makeup that I'm using right now, but on its own with some beautiful eyeliner, some lashes, I love it. I love it as a statement bold lip. It is more on the orangey, yeah, it's more of an orangey lip actually, but I really love it. Bigger the hoops, and this one is from the new collection. Super beautiful. It's not as dark as a Bunny. It's still very neutral, wearable. Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Allergic to Bullshit, and this one is from the new collection. Oh, I really love the color. Super beautiful, and I feel like the lip liner went perfect with it. The wand is pretty stiff, you guys. It's not very flexible. I really love the Anastasia ones because they're super flexible, but this is like really hard. Okay. Those orange lipsticks stained my fingers so bad. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed everything I showed you guys so far. I loved everything in the collection. The collection was amazing, and I really love it. So if you guys haven't picked it up, I would pick it up if I was you. It's so gorgeous. I love everything, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.